This is a Porsche 971 steering wheel. Let's find the hole below first. Poke it in with a screwdriver. Poke a spring and pop the airbag out. The operation is the same on both sides. The airbag bounced out. Next, pull out the two plugs connecting the airbag. Press here with the slotted knife and pry it in. When it's tilted, pull it out directly. So it's disassembled. The second step is to use the sleeve of T12 to insert it. Unscrew the larger screw. After unscrewing the screw, we pulled the plug off. Then take out the steering wheel.
Focus on us.